Hello, I'm Laurie Pawlitza. I'm a partner and a family lawyer at Tork & Mains in Toronto. I'm running for re-election as a bencher of the Law Society of Upper Canada. I'm currently the treasurer of the Law Society, and I'm running because I think it's important to take part in the governance of our profession. If I'm re-elected, I want to continue my work as treasurer. I've been a bencher for 7 years and treasurer for the past 8 months. I've been involved in a number of reforms at the Law Society that I'd like to tell you about. First, you may know that we introduced term limits for benchers so that there's a healthy turnover in convocation, the Society's Board of Directors. Second, I chaired the Law Society's Professional Development and Competence Committee and led the introduction of our new Continuing Professional Development requirement. We call it CPD. Why did we introduce CPD? Because lawyers have to be current in the law. We do understand that CPD has to be affordable and accessible, so things like study groups qualify for the requirement. Third, we know that there is a graying of the bar in smaller centres. Soon many Ontario communities will be without local lawyers. Last year we held the first ever articling symposium for sole practitioners and small firms, where 130 small firms met with 300 law students. We do hope that things like the symposium will encourage more small firms to take on younger lawyers, and that more younger lawyers will move to smaller centres. Finally, more women than men are entering the legal profession, but they leave private practice nearly 3 times as often. I co-chaired the Retention of Women in Private Practice project and introduced the first comprehensive approach by a law society in Canada to help both small and large firms keep their female lawyers. If I'm re-elected, I'd like to finish the work I've started. In this election, I'd ask that you vote for me. But most of all, I'd ask that you vote.